We have had a very detailed discussion with the Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture when we were in Delhi recently in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. We have correctly highlighted that it has become inconvenient for our students who are studying in the state of Manipur because of the prevailing situation in the state of Manipur, and we have requested that in the meanwhile we must make provisions for our students to continue their studies without uprooting them from the continuity of acquiring knowledge and becoming graduates in those fields of study. Government of India is well versed with this challenge and is going all out to make options available for students who are unable to travel to Manipur, where there are 2-3 centers of excellences in the field of education. We are on the job, and so far students who had approached me, I am told, have been relieved, and arrangements are being made either either online or offline also as well.